Good morning, my dear children. Today we start a new chapter, computer networking. The central idea is introduction to computer networks, characteristics of a computer network, MAC address and IP address, devices required for networking, transmission media or communication channels, types of computer networks and network topologies. So, introduction. Today, computers are available at our offices and homes. We can transfer information from one device to another. Even we can share information between various computers. This is possible only through a network. We can send a message through email, either using Gmail or Yahoo, etc. We can share images or videos. Even we can allow our friends to access a hard drive also. It's possible only through our networking. So what are computer networks? Computer networks is a network in which multiple computers are connected to each other to share information and resources. So what are computer networks? When we connect one computer to another computer, this becomes a network. When if we connect our cell phone with a laptop or a desktop, it again becomes a network. So what is networking? Networking is the process of connecting one device with another device. Either device is a phone or a computer. When you access internet, you are connecting with some network. You are connected with some network when you access internet. So and the process of connecting devices with each other is known as networking. Now every computer or a device which is attached to a network is known as a node. Suppose I have connected my phone with internet or with another with my laptop, then my phone becomes a node. So always remember, any device or a computer which is attached to a network is known as a node. Now, characteristics of a computer network. Sharing software or program. We can share any software or a program through computer network. We can share files, data, information. Even you have seen on WhatsApp. WhatsApp पे आप information share कर रहे. You are connected with some network. That's why you are sending information to your friends. We can share a hardware also. Suppose take the example of your computer lab. One printer is attached to number of computers. So we are sharing hardware. प्रिंटर हमारा हार्डवेयर है. हार्डवेयर सारे जितने भी लैब के अंदर कंप्यूटर्स है सबके साथ कनेक्टेड है. हम एक सपोज नंबर टू नंबर का जो हमारा कंप्यूटर था, हमने उससे प्रिंट कमांड दी तो हमारे प्रिंटर ने प्रिंट निकाल दिया. वी आर शेयरिंग हार्डवेयर. सो दिस इज अ नेटवर्किंग. These are the characteristics of networking. So what is networking? Networking is the practice of linking two or more devices together in order to share data, or we can say that networking is the process of connecting two or more devices to share information. And in most cases this can be done by a wireless connection, or we can suppose we have connect our phone with our computer by a wireless network, or we can connect a smart TV or a tablet with a network. So this is a networking. Think of when you access the internet. The internet is the biggest computer network which interconnects millions of computing devices throughout the world. And it consists of routers, switches or hubs, desktops or laptops, servers, printers, etc. All these devices are called nodes, means anything which is connected to a network or which is attached to a network is known as node. Either it will be any device or a switch or a laptop, etc. For example, if a network connects a file server, five computers and 2 printers, there are 8 nodes on the network. Each device on the network has an address, and this address is known as MAC address, which uniquely identify each device. And this helps us to track where the data is being transferred to and from on the network. So always remember, every device which is connected to a network, either if we talk about our phone is also connected to a network. When we access internet, then our phone also have a address, and this address is known as MAC address, and every device have a unique address which help us to track from where the data is coming and where it have to send. Now, MAC address. MAC address, the full form of MAC address is Media Access Control Address, and it is the address which is on hardware. It is an hardware address that uniquely identify each node of a network, and MAC address is assigned by the manufacturer. For example, 00:C9:14:C8:35 is in MAC address. Here 00:A0:C9 indicates the ID number of the adapter manufacturer, and 14:C8:35 represents the serial number assigned by the NIC by its manufacturer. Now, IP address. IP address means Internet Protocol address. It allows computer or any device to communicate with each other through internet. We can communicate on internet only through IP address, and it consists of 4 numbers, each of which contain 1 to 3 digits separated by a dot, and each of the 4 numbers can range from 0 to 255. For example, an IP address is 78.125.0.209, and all the network devices should have a unique IP address. So this is all about the IP addresses and MAC addresses and the networking. Thank you.